How to add Amazon affiliate links to Blogger. So the first step is to simply go to Blogger, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on new post. Now, as you can see here, you're gonna have to simply create your blog post. You're gonna have to type some content, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Amazon and then choose the products that you want to promote on your Blogger site. So I have this tablet here. So what you're gonna have to do is simply save any images of this product on your computer, and then go back to Blogger and then simply click on insert image. Then simply click on upload from computer, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on choose files. So I'm gonna choose this image of that product, and then I'm gonna select it and then click here on select. And then the next step is to simply click on it and then simply click on this insert link button. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to the Amazon product page and copy the affiliate link of this product. So I'm gonna copy this, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply go back and then simply paste the link here. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on apply. Now if you want, you can enable the option to open this link in a new window, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna click on apply. Now the next step is to simply publish our post, and if we go to our site and click on this image, we're gonna get redirected to the product page of this, and of course if someone buys it, we're gonna earn a commission. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.